Let's see, in this chapter describing wireless network design principles, we're going to focus on controllerless versus control-based solutions. Why do I need to learn this? Because I have to get to know what Cisco wireless solution products are out there. This is a timeline of how to design wireless networks. In the beginning, you will use standalone access points that were also known as FAT access points because they will do everything. They will process all traffic, they will do all MAC functions, and they will switch traffic between wireless and wired networks. They will offer a limited set of features, for instance, layer 2 roaming, but the downside of this solution was that if you want to add a new feature or change an existing one, you will have to go and change it individually at each access point. Then came along the wireless controller solution that offered you a centralized solution, but you needed hardware in order to run this controller software. This will send new configurations into the access points that were known as lightweight access points. And this solution will offer you several features such as scalable roaming, seamless integration with Cisco Voice over IP, Cisco Video Solutions, full application inspection, enforcement of security policies, all done centrally. The way that this worked was that the lightweight access points will create a cab-wab tunnel to the controller where most of the traffic were sent to the controller. The solution will use a split MAC where the controller was in charge of switching traffic between the wireless network and the wired network. The more recent solutions are known as controllerless. In this solution, a third party will offer you the same solution but on the cloud. It is still centralized, but you don't need an additional hardware on your premises anymore. This solution will offer a similar amount of features, and these devices that will get controlled over the cloud will be plug-and-play devices. And once they connect to the internet, they will create secure tunnels to the cloud. The only thing that you must provide is an access internet to these devices. In these cases, the access points will be in charge of switching traffic between the wireless network and the wired network. Examples of these controllerless solutions are, for instance, Meraki or Aruba Instant On. There is a debate over the marketing term controllerless because you can argue that if you're saying that something is controllerless, you don't need a controller at all, and these Meraki and Aruba Instant On solutions are actually having controllers over the cloud. It's just not your controllers, they are their controllers. So there are some other vendors that claim that their solutions are controllerless, but what they offer is actually embedded controllers within their access point. Cisco offers this solution as well. You can also have embedded wireless controllers, or EWC, and Cisco used to offer something that was known as single point setup, which was truly a controllerless solution because you could cluster autonomous access point together. So in the case that you change something in one access point, these access points will transmit this change to all the other access points within the cluster. This solution required no wireless controller, but it is just a comment. That's it.